Calculate the average duration of fixed assets and compare to the duration of the long-term liabilities. You're given the following information from a company's financial accounts. The long-term liabilities are 8.42 million, the plant and equipment net 29.8 million, and the depreciation expense 4 million. In the notes to the financial statements, the repayment schedule for the long-term liabilities are also given, and the total of 8.42 million is broken up into years 1 to 5 as shown. So we're here to calculate the average maturity of the fixed assets and the long-term liabilities. So let's start with the fixed assets. The average remaining life of the fixed assets is given by the remaining net book value divided by the annual depreciation. So in this case, that's going to be 29.8 million divided by 4 million, or 7.45 years. Now for the liabilities, what we're going to do here is we calculate the weighted average of the liabilities by multiplying the amount due by the amount of time. So here we have year 1 times 2.91 million. That's going to be 2.91 million, of course. And year 2 now times 3.41 million is going to give us 6.82 million. And we're going to continue with years 3 through to 5. At the end, we're going to sum that total, and that's going to give us the total amount due times the time, the weighted, that would be the overall total. So how do we calculate the weighted average? The duration then would be the sum of the due amount times the time, which we have here, and this divided by the sum of the due amounts. So we have 17.3 million divided by 8.242 million, and that gives us 2.05 years. What that essentially means is if we take the overall, the 8.42 million, we multiply it by the average duration of 2.05 years, that gives us our amount times time, the 17.3 million. So that's it. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this helped.